रिसेंटली प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी ने एक एडवाइजरी ओपिनियन मांगे फ्रॉम द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. बट डू यू नो फ्रॉम विच कंट्री was it taken from? Whether it is the US or the UK or any other country? So the answer is it has been taken from Section 53 of the Supreme Court of Canada Act of 1875. Yes, the Supreme Court of Canada was established in the year 1875 by the act passed by legislature of Canada. But in the year 1793, the US President George Washington, he had sent an advisory opinion through his Secretary of State. His name was Thomas Jefferson. And the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of US, he was John Jay. He was sought an opinion as to whether US should participate into the war that was going on between Britain and France or not. So for that, a question of law was sought, because that time they were having some legal complications as well. But the US Chief Justice John Jay, he responded that they don't have any concept of advisory jurisdiction in the US Constitution, and hence the US Constitution does not allow any kind of interference by the judiciary into the executive or executive into the judiciary. That means there is a strict follow of the separation of powers theory. And by this time you all know it very well that the separation of powers theory was taken from the Spirit of Laws. This book was written by Montesquieu in the year 1748. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar had pretty well articulated कि ये जो प्रेसिडेंशियल रेफरेंस के तौर पे जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट उसका आंसर देंगे प्रेसिडेंट को, ये प्रेसिडेंट के ऊपर ये लागू नहीं होगा. दैट मीन्स द प्रेसिडेंट शैल नॉट बी बाउंड बाय द एडवाइस सो टेंडर्ड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. दैट मीन्स ये आर्टिकल 141 के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर जो बाइंडिंग वैल्यू हो जाता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट में, तो वो प्रेसिडेंट के ऊपर आर्टिकल 143 के अंदर जो एडवाइस दिया जाता है वो उन पे बाइंडिंग नहीं होता है.